Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a PayPal account in Japan. First of all, we need to come on the PayPal's official website of Japan, and in order to get your Japanese country, you will have to come on this page. So this is the page where you will see all of the countries in which PayPal is providing its services. So we need to simply search for Japan here, and as you can see that in Asia Pacific we have Japan. So click on this link so that you would be landed on the Japanese PayPal homepage. Now the homepage will look something like this, so you can just continue with Japanese language or you can select any other language. Now click on this sign up option in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here select whether you want to open a personal account or a business account, then press continue in the bottom. Now once you are on this page, you need to provide your first name, your family name, your email address, your password, and agree to the terms and conditions and create your account. Then you need to follow further on-screen instructions in order to successfully set up your account in Japan. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.